guys, welcome back to the channel. It's getting a little crazy out here. Snow's coming down. Still don't have time to listen to the weather channel, see what the hell's going on, how much snow we're getting. I really don't know, but I'm trudging along, I'm trying to get it done, still out here. Some of these secondary roads, they're a little slip sliding away. The main roads are pretty good, man, because they put that brine down. So that brine, that shit works pretty good on the main roads. Right now it's 12:45 and it's only 34 degrees, guys, 34. So when we're going around these turns, we gotta take it a little bit easy. The main roads are not bad. It's just these secondary roads. Got about 5 stops to do in here in this industrial park. Of course, all the landscapers are out putting their asphalt down, which is good. It's good for me because I'm in and out of a lot of parking lots today. It's coming down, baby. It's coming down. I know it already started this morning in South Jersey. Now it's working its way up towards us. So like I said, I didn't really pay attention to the weather this morning. I didn't really look at the weather channel, but whatever it is, it is. I gotta keep going. axle back. Watching your braking, that you don't slide on the snow that's on the ground. I know it's not much, but you can still slide. All right. Siri. Doesn't work right now. My other phone is in the other bag, in my lunch bag. I forgot to take it out. Alright, let me dump this one out, then we're out of here. We gotta do the other church. A little bit when you hit the brakes, and I'm really not hitting the brakes that hard, to be honest with you, but I guess we're out of here in a snowstorm, so that's why I wanted to bring you guys along and show you what's going on out of here. Start off, don't give it a lot of gas, because then the tires are going to spin. into the can, make sure you brake early. You don't want to slide into that can and put it through that freaking fence. Okay, that's done. What do I have next? Mobile order carrier. I don't even know if he's open. Oh, we gotta check it out. Hang it up, baby. Hang it up. Yeah, there was one stop this morning, that big 8-yarder I did a little while ago. He gets done twice on a Monday, so I got to go back there again. Right now it is almost 1 p.m., so I'm not doing bad. Yeah, these parking lots, man, you do a lot of slip and slide. You got to take your time, take it easy. Teslas, I don't think those Teslas are all-wheel drive. Anybody know if they're all-wheel drive? I'm not even sure. I wonder how good they are in this kind of weather. Alright, I've got 2 more stops right down the street. Yeah, it's coming down pretty good now. To the left, you never look back to the right. this shit's gonna freeze. So now when you go into these parking lots, you gotta open up the gates on the corral, you gotta pull a container out. That's where you're gonna slip and break your ass. That's what I worry about. Because I'm not getting any younger. I really don't feel like falling and getting hurt. It happened to me about 3 years ago. When I was pulling out a container, I slipped and fell on my shoulder. And I pulled the tendons and ligaments. So I don't want to do that again. I was worried that I tore my rotator cuff, but thank God I did not. Because that would have been seriously a lot of time out of work. Yeah, I did that already for Mayran. Yeah, it's coming down at a good clip now, guys. Pull up alongside this container, open it up. See if there is. Nope, nothing in there. We will just be dumping out one container. Always beat the horn when you're backing up, guys, just to let them know what you're doing. So I'm going to be dumping out one over here. That's good for me. Run it up. Woo! What a day, baby. What a day. Yeah, it's coming down, man. It's coming down good, man. And it's cold as hell outside, too, bro. It really is. Alright, let me see. I did that already. Now I gotta do tilling. Sideways. It's time to move to Florida, folks. Nah, I don't want to go to Florida. Maybe South Carolina. That would be nice. Yeah, I'm tired of this shit. I really am. You know, if I was retired up here and not working, I wouldn't worry about this. I couldn't care less, but when you gotta come out of here driving it, working it, and pull heavy ass containers in it, it ain't no fun. Let me run this up. This is Tilly right now. That was onset that we did. I did one container. Let me go back. Next one is impact zone. Yeah, I'm just talking to myself, guys. Don't pay no mind to me. Side of town right now, I only got 3 stops. fun in that Mustang, buddy. Not a good day to be driving around in a fishtail Mustang. Move on, baby. All right, go around back, pick up the next stop. This 8-yard, a lot of 8-yarders on my route. Let me run this up again. This is Mother Feet, and I got one more here. I don't know what it's going to do, but I hope it does something. Hey! Merry Christmas! Stop for lunch yet. Okay, I got one more stop over here. She's sliding, baby. Slip sliding away. Slip sliding away. I think, what's his name? Simon sang that song, right? Okay, we're out. That's done. I gotta go back couldn't get them this morning because there was a damn tractor trailer sitting there blocking the container. So I'm going to go get them now, though. See if I can make it up there. Roads are holding up, man, so I'm good to go. So hopefully it won't get any worse than what it's doing right now. It's pretty bad, though. It's pretty bad. My advice to you guys, stay home. Flying away. Well, it seems to me you live your life like a candle in the wind, never knowing who to cling to when the rain set in. And I would have liked to know you, but I was just a kid. Candle burned out long before your legend ever did. Yeah, baby, a little bit of Elton John there for you guys. Any requests, just send them in, I'll sing it. Yeah, man. I need a damn radio, that's what I need. Woo! What I got left? I got 10 stops, and right now it's 116, baby, 116. Got the plows out. That's a good thing. Right now we're behind the Poland Spring water truck. Waiting for the light to change. Alright, we're going back to, it's called Woori, W-O-O-R-I. Woori. Mark. I forgot the mark. Alright, people, I gotta go. Like I said, these main roads are pretty good. Just gotta take it easy though. Right now the temperature is telling me 34. So we're a little bit above freezing. So you gotta keep your eye on that. The best way to know if it's freezing, roll the window down and feel the back of the mirror. You feel the back of the mirror, you'll feel the ice. If it's just wet, good to go. Just a little trick my dad taught me years ago. This way you know if you're driving in freezing rain or if it's ice that's coming down, you can tell. And you start feeling that shit, man, you better pull over. I don't want to driving in the ice. There goes a little smart car. That's one damn car I would never own, man. Somebody hits you from behind, you're screwed, you're done, you're gone, you're dead. Yeah, man, game over. Yeah, just gotta make it right at the Light-A-Roni right here. Stops right on the corner. Not such a great spot, but it's gotta be picked up. It's got a lot of garbage, my friend, a lot of garbage. What the fuck are you doing? Everybody else stopped, but this Chinese guy, I swear to God, man, I'm not saying nothing. And you know where he went? Right behind this building. He was in that much of a hurry. I can't believe it. The people just suck. They really do. Well done. The only problem is the second time I dumped it, it's got a lot of light boxes in the load. Car wash is closed. Alright guys, I will get back to you later on with another awesome video from Riding Along with Dan. I hope you enjoyed this one. Excuse me, there's plenty more to come. And be safe out there if you're going out, be careful. The roads are wet, a little icy, a little slippery, so be careful guys. All right, I will catch you later. Be good, be careful, be safe. And if you like what you've seen and you love the channel, maybe you're going to help me out and mash on that subscribe button, hit that like button. That will be absolutely awesome. Thank you so much, guys. Be good, be careful, and be safe. Later.